Hello friends, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. On today's episode, I'm so excited because I'm going to be giving you a tour of my kitchen decorated for fall. This video is part 4 of this fall decorating series. If you have not seen the previous fall decorating videos, I will link them on this video. If you are a new visitor, my name is Jacqueline Marie and I would love that you join my channel. So at the count of 3, please click the subscribe button. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing. So let's go ahead and start the kitchen tour. When I'm decorating my kitchen, I try to think about what elements I want to stand out. This kitchen has a very clean color palette with white cabinets and white tile backsplash with a grayish color grout. With all the white color palette, the decor needs to bring an element of color. For fall, I'm incorporating some wood colors and the New England's fall colors. So when you step back and look at the kitchen, you see the white colors with the contrasting colors, which adds dimension to the space and creates interest when you look at the space. On the kitchen's island, you can see the wood element on the tiered tray. I accessorize the tiered tray with items that have the fall colors. I also added a white tray and fill it up with pumpkins that have different patterns and textures. To continue with the same color palette on the stove, I added a kitchen towel and also a swag that has a variety of fall colors with some wood beads. On the countertop, I added a wicker basket to pull all my wooden spoons and spatulas. The small sign is from Target, and the wicker basket is from Michael's. When I was shopping at the Christmas tree shops, I saw this beautiful glass cutting board with the squirrel, pumpkins, and acorns, and I decided to buy it to combine it with the rest of the decorations. On the top of the cabinet, I use a swag that has pumpkins, and I got this at Michael's and it was also 40% off. If you like the decoration so far, please give this video a big thumbs up. The white bowl that I use to place the pumpkins, I usually use it to put shrimps. I usually put crushed ice and on top I put the shrimps with the cocktail sauce and it looks beautiful with the wavy edges. On the refrigerator, I use a wreath that I made a few years ago and also a kitchen towel with the same fall color palette. The texture of the wreath brings the wood element to the decor. All the combination of these decorative elements pulled together make this kitchen feel inviting and warm. At the coffee bar section, I added a colorful fall swag that I got at Amazon. At the countertop, I created a small vignette using some wood elements. The potato masher is a vintage piece that I got when I was thrifting. I added some cinnamon sticks on the container, not only to bring a great aroma to the kitchen, but also to bring more wood element tones. The small fall sign that is on the countertop is from the dollar section at Target, and the sign that is on the wreath is from the Dollar Tree store. Overall, I like the look of this kitchen with the wood undertones and all the beautiful fall colors. Please comment below and let me know which is your favorite decorative piece on this kitchen. And here's Stella to say hi. Some of the decorative pieces in this kitchen are very special to me. For example, this tin basket is one of the decor items that I brought from my trip to Luxembourg. I love to add seasonal flowers to this basket. And now we move into the breakfast table and the hutch. I bought this table runner at Amazon and I love the combination of the black polka dots with the orange pumpkins. For the centerpiece, I used a wicker basket to make a flower arrangement. On this side, I usually keep all my plants. I added some fresh flowers to add some orange undertones. I found this piece of furniture in an antique shop in Maryland and I painted it with anise lawn paint. And now I'm going to show you how I decorated the hutch. Having a hutch is a great piece of furniture to display a collection of plates and antique pieces. This hutch I found it in a thrift shop and I paid only $26 for it. It was originally in pine and I painted with anise lawn paint. To decorate for fall, I'm using white and blue china plates and I'm combining some other wood pieces to bring the wood undertones, and I added a few pumpkins in brown and orange. I also added some pine cones and some dry hydrangeas from my garden. And my friends, this is the end of the tour of my kitchen and hutch decorated for fall. And here's Stella to say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also leave your comment. If you have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe tab at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.